Do you also struggle with the following issues when packaging thousands of items every day? Crooked seals, wasted film, low efficiency, high labor costs. Even though your product quality is excellent, you lose points because of your packaging. Don't worry, CHLB has a one-stop solution for you. This is our multifunctional pillow packaging machine. No matter what product you have, it can handle it with ease. Intelligent operation, simple to use, double the efficiency, and no restrictions on industry, film material, or length. It handles all your packaging needs. The machine is equipped with 3 servo motor controls, intelligent product recognition and automatic alignment, and film length adjustment as needed, ensuring 0 waste and 0 miscuts. There is no need to frequently adjust parameters, and it can respond flexibly to product changes. Using a high-performance reciprocating sealing system, the temperature control is precise, and the seal is flat, secure, and leak-proof. Look, the finished product is neatly packaged and perfectly sealed. Worried about empty packages, waste, or other issues? Rest assured, the machine will not operate without the product. Built-in high-sensitivity optical eye recognition automatically pauses the machine when there is a shortage of materials, protecting the cutting tools and saving film material. 7-inch multi-language touchscreen with a clear and intuitive user interface. Supports custom functions such as inkjet printing systems, punching devices, automatic recognition, and quick film material replacement. Different products can choose from multiple feeding methods including pushrod feeding, belt feeding, and film feeding, food, daily chemicals, maternal and infant products, daily necessities. One machine can handle all kinds of products. Supports custom molds, non-standard packaging, automatic spray coating, and other multiple expansion configurations. CHLB, specializing in packaging equipment for over 20 years, exporting to more than 50 countries worldwide, and serving over 1,000 customers. Contact us now to get your customized packaging solution.